Now we have the clustered bar chart, wherein it's a year-over-year comparison. So for this one, if you want to compare products or businesses year over year, so for this example, we have 2013 and 2014, and then you have category names which are way too long, then the clustered bar chart is the perfect one for you. Okay, so in this example below, the category names that we have would be the company names. And we're going to be comparing the sales numbers from the year 2013 and the year 2014. So this is going to be our final output, wherein you could see that, okay, the sales for 2014 versus sales for 2013 for a specific company, and then it just repeats for every single company. So for example, you can see quickly that for ABC Telecom, the sales numbers of 2014 is way above the sales numbers of 2013. And it gives you a quick overview on how are the performances for each individual company. Okay, so let me just go over the chart. Let's delete this. Okay, so the first step that we want to do is select the table, right, that we want to base our chart on. Go to Insert, and let's go to Recommended Charts, All Charts, so that we can search quickly under the bar section, right? And then make sure that the clustered bar is selected. So let's have a quick look over the options. So this one is showing you by company, right? If we hover over the second one, it's going to be by year, and the one we're after is going to be by company over here, right? So make sure this one's selected, click OK. Right, and then we have our clustered bar chart with the comparison of years 2014 and 2013. And you could just also have a quick change as well for the design tools under chart tools, right? And just change it to a different format that you prefer.
G'day, it's John Michaelis here, the Chief Inspirational Officer and founder at myexcelonline.com. And I hope that you enjoyed this video that we just showed you. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. It just lets us know to create more of the same Excel videos for you so you can get better at Excel. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get new Excel videos each and every week. And finally, we want you to join our flagship online Excel course. It's called the My Excel Online Academy, and you get all of our Excel courses. You get our Excel beginner, intermediate, and advanced courses. We go through over 500 Excel videos, which teach you formulas, macros, VBA, pivot tables, Power BI, Power Query, Power Pivot, charts, formatting, Access, and much more, because we add new videos each and every month. You also can download all our Excel workbooks and keep so you can practice, and you also get a certificate of course completion. Plus, you're going to get 6 bonuses when you sign up to our Academy course. You get our dedicated teacher support, you get access to all our Excel webinars, you get quarterly live Q&As. You can join our private Facebook group. You also join our private Excel forum, and we're also going to mail out to you an exclusive Academy welcome pack. So if you want to get better at Excel and stand out from your peers and stand out from the crowd so you can get noticed by top management and receive the promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click below in the description and join the My Excel Academy online course so you can get better at Excel today.